In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Canva. Let's dive into the process to make your multi-page design projects more organized and visually appealing. Whether you're designing a brochure, a presentation, or even an ebook, adding page numbers can enhance the professional feel. And luckily, Canva makes this process straightforward. First, you're going to start by heading to the Canva website and logging into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the left side panel. There, you'll find the Plus Create button. Click on it to bring up a new window. This is where you'll choose your design specifications. We're opting for a custom size, which can be found right at the top of the new window. In our case, we'll be using a square dimension of 1080 by 1080 pixels, but you can adjust to fit your specific needs. After entering your dimensions, hit Create New Design to open a fresh canvas. With your new project open, look at the left side panel again and click on the Text option. This will allow you to add a text box that will hold your page number. Once there, select Add a Heading. This gives you a text box that you can move around your canvas. Type in your page number, for example, 1. Once you've typed your page number, you can reposition and resize it as necessary so it sits well within your design. Now, to ensure the numbering is consistent across all pages, utilize the Bulk Create feature. You can find Bulk Create by hovering over the left side panel, or alternatively, search for it in the Apps panel. Once you've located it, choose Enter Data manually. At this point, you'll want to clear any existing data in the table that appears. You can do this by heading to the bottom left corner and selecting Clear Table. Double-click on the title and change it to Pages. Then, double-click each cell and type in the corresponding page numbers. For example, if you have 10 pages, fill in numbers 1 through 10 into each respective cell. After you've finished inputting the data, click Done, located in the bottom right corner. This will save your table of page numbers. Return to your page number text on the canvas and click it. You should see a floating toolbar with lots of options. Locate the 3 dots, click them, and then select Connect Data. A small menu will appear prompting you to click on Pages. Finally, return to the left side panel and proceed by clicking Continue. Now, simply hit Generate Designs, which will apply your numbered data across all your pages. You may receive a notification confirming this action. To ensure everything is set correctly, check the bottom folder where you can view your bulk images once they've been generated. And there you have it. Your document or presentation now has neat and professional-looking page numbers, making navigation and referencing much more manageable. Happy designing!